8 months ago, I coach someone, I mentor someone who wants to start a learning business from the scratch. The person don't know anything about the learning business. So I give him guidance, I mentor him. The good thing, the person is staying in a good environment, in an estate where nobody does learning business there. But he have it in his mind to start the business because the business is lucrative. If you watch my video, and then he come to me on the DM, and then he register in academy. I charge him, he register, and then he was faithful for discussion, buy machines, machine to buy, things to do, how to go about it, so to arrange. Today, why I'm sharing this testimony now, the person just called me now that he have bought a new machine. He bought a new side loader washing machine. I was surprised. I said, wow. I'm going to give me a breakdown of how much he makes a day. He said he makes a month, he makes 600,000 a month after removing the expenses. The other one say he make 80,000 a month after removing the expenses. I was like, wow. Where a call is location for me because of privacy, I don't want to make sure the name of the person, but I know you're watching the video now. I don't want to make sure the name of the person. I don't want to make sure the same of the person, but it's an estate. I was amazed, I was surprised, I was saying, wow, it seems Palms Academy is affecting lives. Yes, it's affecting life. So, why am I making this video? It's because of you. You have in the mind, you have a dream to start a learning business, but you are afraid. You are afraid to register in a course. Because you come to my DM and say, okay, you register in the course, register in the academy for so amount. And you are saying, you now back off. Some of you, I didn't charge you any damn. I teach you for free. But the thing about people, when they see cheap things or free things, they don't take it serious. Hence, I push charges for my academy. You pay for it. You register for the academy, and then I will give my time. Because I give my time, my data, I use my call, use Zoom meeting, chat. You can use Google Meet, can use Zoom to make sure I explain to you. Video call, WhatsApp call, chat and call. To make sure you know this thing. I was very happy when it came that, sir, I make 500,000 naira after expenses. I was like, wow, that's good. So now, it's now comfortable now, you have to start. So what are you waiting for? Start something. Even if you don't want to start a learning business, other business you have in your mind, in your locality, in your environment, in that place, somebody do POS in that place, start something. I'm encouraging you to start something, yes. And also, pay for course. Pay for course, pay to know more. Don't just go for cheap things or free things. Go for things that cost you something. When it costs something, you now activate your brain. So, okay, I want to learn. I pay for this course. Let me learn. You now have the art to learn. So, person will pay, say they will not come and learn. You see. So, what can I say now? Kind yourself, motivate yourself this year. 8 months ago, that person is making how much? I was wondering. I said, how? Some of my branch that I in the logo area, they don't make that amount in a month. But the guy is making it in a month. And he pays staff also. So what are you waiting for? Start and register in Palms Academy International. Please start and register in a course. Not only learning business, any course, online course. Learn to grow. Cyber security, learn and then improve yourself and grow. It will help you this year, 2026. Don't do yourself. Do it now. Thank you.